Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Candi Dips to create a really fun color block mani. We're going to do a whole color block accent nail. It's going to be really fun. So we're diving right into this mani today. We are doing the gel method and we are starting out with this beautiful color here called Beach Please. It is such a gorgeous color. It's like the perfect almost apricot nude color, but it has this gorgeous shimmer to it. It is everything, and I love the name of this dip powder. So these colors that we're using today, they kind of have an autumn twist to them, but yet they're very beachy as well. So you got the best of both worlds, right? Because we're kind of in a summer, we're not into autumn yet, but we're like almost there. But these colors are fantastic, and I really like how this whole mani turned out. So we're going to be doing 2 coats of dip today, and we're going to cure in between each dip. So just know anytime you see me brushing off that we did cure that nail for 30 seconds. All right, so let's dive into this mani and then I will pop back in just a little bit.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. Hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
Alright, now we're diving into some color blocking. We're going to use my favorite color blocking tape. You've seen it on my channel and I'll link it in the description box below. It is a 3M medical tape. It is fantastic. And then I use the silicone tool just to get any air bubbles or lines out so that tape is laying super flat. If you're color blocking on your natural nail or enhancement, this color blocking tape or this medical tape that I use for color blocking is really going to adhere to the skin nicely. So it's going to help you achieve a crisp line. So what I'm doing right now is I just placed that first piece of tape there, kind of angled it slightly on that cuticle line, and we're just starting out with that first color dip, and we're going to just switch colors every time we finish a section. So right now I'm going to go in with 2 dips of each dip powder, and then we're going to cure it, and then I'll peel that tape off, and then I'm just going to keep creating a design. Now when you're color blocking, you can do whatever design you want. I had so much fun doing this. This was the first time that I've ever done color blocking with multiple lines like this and did like a design. It was so much fun. And then after you peel off that tape, I'm just going to file on that line just to crisp it up a bit, just to make sure that that line is looking really straight. And then we're just going to continue as we go here to just keep adding tape and just making sure that that's pressed down, and we're just going to basically make a really fun design. So that's all I'm doing for this method. And then just know anytime that I'm brushing off this nail that we did cure that for 30 seconds. All right, so let's get into this color blocking, and then I will pop back in just a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to get into the filing and buffing, which was super easy. All I had to do was clean up the sidewalls, the free edge, and then I just cleaned up the cuticle area a little bit, but that's all I had to do. Filing and buffing was very minimal. These dip powders are phenomenal and they lay really flat to the nail and they're super full coverage. So I finished the rest of the filing and buffing off camera, and now just to seal and everything and to finish up the mani, we are going in with a layer of gel base, and then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. And then after that's cured, then we're going to go ahead and finish up with a layer of gel top coat, and then I am going to cure that gel top coat for 60 seconds. So right now I'm just going in with the gel top coat, and then we're going to cure everything, and then here's the finished mani. Now how fun is this mani? I think it's super pretty. These colors complement each other so well, and C is just an amazing glitter, and it has like the most fun different textures in it. It's just overall a stunning glitter. All these colors they fit so well together. It's a slight autumn vibe and I'm totally living for it, but these colors were fantastic. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. If these colors were not your cup of tea, head over to Candy Dips. There's tons of beautiful colors. You're gonna find something that catches your eye, and I'll see you all in the next upload.